This is my bearded dragon. This is his girlfriend. My bearded dragon is literally sitting down. Yep, sitting down. He's grabbing onto that trunk. Look at him. He's sitting down. I've never seen this before. It's funny. He's hanging on with that log. He's sitting down, hand chilling. That's his tail and his legs. He's literally sitting down on that tree trunk. That's Mr. Bean because of his translucent black eyes. Mr. Bean, you're sitting down? Yep. Sitting down.